welcome to my channel. So now we're in Nagarkot and we just checked into hotel. No, it's not hotel. It's called Mystic Mountain. Yeah, Hotel Mystic Mountain. Yeah, the journey here was quite long. From home, it took us like 1 hour 30 minutes to get here. So we had to pass through the city, we had to pass through the village area and also the jungle, and finally we got here. And now I would like to show you the room. Let's do a room tour. So this is the room. What's this? It's a cupboard. We have some hangers. Oh, when you open it, it turns on. And then there are some, what's this, sewing kit, shoe cleaner, I think it's a bag. And if you want to wash, there is like laundry and dry cleaning list, and there's cushion here. And you also have a safe box. It's already locked. I don't know, I have to read how to use it later. There's extra blankets, I think. Okay, then let's check out the room. Okay, firstly we have a water kettle here. It's a water boiler. We have 3 water bottles. I think it's complimentary, and 3 glasses because we're 3 adults. And oh yep, so they really prepare for 3 people. It's a room for 3 people. We have 3 cups of spoon. We have some tea, sugar. What is this? Dairy creamer, coffee. Yeah, that's what's given. Anything underneath? Nope. Do we have a fridge? No, we don't. Maybe because it's so cool. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, let's look at the room. Yeah, we're just trying to take a rest. Yeah, this is my sister here. Say hi. Hi. And then we have another sitting area and a TV. And finally, we have lots of channels in the party which I can watch. A rubbish bin, a table. Oh, there's a massage too. And there's a lamp. Does it work? Yay! It works. Guest card comment, or we can leave a comment. And then there is a book. Oh, with all the menu here. Cool. मिनीबार छ रे त मैले नभेट्टाको सानो फ्रिज हुनु पर्ने कुन चाहिँ खाल्डो जस्तो देखेछ मिनीबार छ. And then the chair. This is my mom. Say hi. Hi. Okay, so there's a sitting area where mom is sitting. That's nice. And we have another table next to the bed. This is the bed. We have 2 double-sized bed and 1 single bed. Tissue paper. What is this? Drawer empty. Yeah, the other side also has the remote controls, a telephone, and also a TV. In-house service. You can also use the in-house service. And there's the key. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Let's go. And there's a mirror right next to the door. Okay, so I think after getting ready you can check out the mirror. And this is the bathroom. So the toilet is just here with the bin, tissue paper, toilet paper, a phone, spare toilet paper, and then a basket there. Oh, that's written Hotel Mystic. And then there's a mirror for the bathroom, but it's quite dark. And then hair dryer is connected already. Let's look at the toiletry. So although the coffee and the cups were 3, it seems the bathroom cups are only 2. Oh, fortunately the toothpaste and toothbrush are 3 sets. We have shower cap, a soap, body lotion, bath gel. What is this? Cotton? Looks like cotton. We have 2 hand towel, 1 larger towel, and then let's look at the shower room. The shower room is quite small, but I guess it's okay. We are in Junior Deluxe because they said they upgraded us. We actually booked for, what's that called? Deluxe. Okay, so let's look at the bath area. So there's 2 towels here. Why is there 2? Oh, maybe I can use the outside one. And then there's a 2 shower head. We have shampoo, conditioner. Yeah, so it's quite small. Yeah, so actually we booked for deluxe room for 3 people because they say it would be big enough, bigger than superior deluxe. But today when we checked in, they said they have upgraded us to junior suite. So this is a junior suite. So now we're gonna check out the balcony area. कहाँबाट जाने balcony हैन? Oh, balcony. And now I know the difference of the balcony because when I checked the website, they had like green area for balcony. Maybe that's the superior deluxe. So this one, how do I open the door is another question. View down. Oh, the door is here. Okay, let's slide. It's a sliding door and I was trying to push it. Okay, and then we have sitting area here. 2 chairs. Let's check out. Ooh. This is the view. Okay, and then the jacuzzi and swimming pool are just there if you want to use. There's a children playing area there. I think we're gonna walk around later. Yeah, so that's all for the room tour.
अघि मोरे त्यहाँ चाहिँ यताबाट चाहिँ अनुहार राम्रो राख क्या हो मेरो नि तेरोबाट खिच्दै त
Oh, I finally found the mini bar here. I didn't check this side, so we have to open here. And then it's here. So inside we have some hot drinks, beer, chocolate, nuts. What is this? I haven't seen this before. Chaba, pineapple and grape. Okay. Nice, found it. What's on this side? Oh, there's a rack here. So there are also slippers in this room.
यो वेभ मसिन पनि रहेछ यहाँ
Okay, so now we're going to walk around and check this hotel resort. So firstly, we're going to see the swimming pool here. You know, अब एक राउन्ड हालौँ के छ साच्चै सफा गरे नि त हाम्रो कपडा त पानी तातो दिदी पानी छुनु न तातो छ कि चिसो छ पानी कपडा चिसो छ चिसोमा त नजाने जम हिँड्न हो यहाँ बस्न नि मिल्दो रहेछ के छ त्यहाँ त कन्स्ट्रक्सन हुँदैछ त अर्को बिल गर्दै रहेछ तपाईँलाई चाहिँ पानी मनपर्छ हो अघि पनि पानी अहिले पनि पानी She likes water, she said. Oh, यसको त भ्यू है खिच्न So look at this. We're staying somewhere that side. So we're at the swimming pool. It's empty now because it's closed and it's dark. I'm just checking it out. So now we're gonna go for dinner. It's included in our package. They have a special offer today or these few months. So going for dinner. Bye.
कस्तो लाग्यो खाना म चाहिँ धेरै दिएको छैन There is a lift here which we didn't take. Hello, welcome, messy room. Yeah, no. That's fine. So guys, we're having mask time now. Dude is wearing the lemon mask. Mine is rose. Mom is also rose mask. Yeah. So we're just gonna stay in the room. I think that's all for today. And we're gonna go for breakfast tomorrow. That's also included in the package. And then yeah, visit the rest of the areas if the weather is fine. So bye for now.